I'm going to make this super fast. What do all these words have in common? Fabulous, superior, class, top notch, awesome, one of my favorites by the way, smashing, wonderful, brilliant, first class, magnificent, swell, crackin', top notch. I've already said that. Let me say it again. Top notch. Up to standard. Up to par. Up to scratch. Guess what? All those words can replace one word. And after this intro, think about it and tell me which one it is. You had time to think about it. What's your decision? Did you figure it out? Hint, this word is overused way too much, and everybody is showing a lack of fluency when they're using it. It starts with an S. No? You're not getting it? Okay, here we go. Super, super, super. Garbage. Okay? All of a sudden, everybody seems to think it's okay to just use super before an adjective and use super before a noun in every single situation possible. Okay? You know what I'm talking about, everybody. Super delicious. It was super amazing. It was super good. The food was super. The experience was so super. It was super great. Do I have to keep saying more? You get it, right? I have just shared with you an amazing list of words that are magnificent. I'm using that word to describe all of them, okay? Now, if you need more words because for some reason you're not feeling full or satisfied, there's a link, ba-boom, right here to my first episode on this topic with replacing good. One of the all-time best videos I've made on this topic. Need more to talk about success? I got an episode on that. Ba-boom right here. Hit it, you'll get even more information. Okay? Fluency is the name of the game, everybody. And if we want to become fluent, it's up to us. That means mix it up and use more variety. Episode 100 was on quality, and you guessed it again, there are words that we can use to describe quality other than super. Right there. Excellent episode. Check it out. Those are the words used in the specific context. Those links are connected to this because super needs to be fatality. Destroyed and eliminated. I'll be back with part 2 of my super little tirade, let's say. Okay, I'm on the attack on this word because I'm going to give you some adverbs to use instead of this because again, super for some reason is taking adverbs out of our vocabulary. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. As always, pow. You know it. ESL Trailblazer, I'm Nandis. See you back for part 2 next time. Enjoy the heat. Loving it. Share it. Like it. And if you know any words that I have missed, by all means, please put them in the comments. All right? Take care and see you next time. Later.